Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 12.1 question 9, exercise 12.2 question 1. The sum is a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area of the article. From a solid cylinder, they have scooped out a hemisphere from the top and hemisphere from the bottom. The height is 10 centimeters and the radius is 3.5 centimeters. Now we have to find out the total surface area of the solid. So the total surface area of the solid will be CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the hemisphere, again CSA of the hemisphere. Now, first we'll find out the CSA of the hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere, radius of hemisphere is equal to 3.5 divided by 2. 3.5 divided by 2. Here the radius is 3.5. This is the radius. So the radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters. Now CSA of hemisphere, curved surface area, CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Is equal to 2 pi r square. That's equal to 2 into, time being we'll keep pi as pi only, we'll take care of the pi at the end. 2 pi into r square means 3.5 into 3.5. This will be equal to 2 into 3.5 into 3.5 is 24.5 pi. So the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 24.5 pi centimeter square. Now next we will find out the CSA of the cylinder. Now radius of cylinder are equal to 10 centimeters. So now CSA of cylinder is CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi. The height is there, no? Height. 1 minute. I got height. Height of cylinder h equal to, all confusing. It is 3.5. The height is 10 centimeters. I am sorry. Now CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That's equal to 2 into pi into R is 3.5 into 10. This will be equal to 2 into 3.5 into 10 will be 70 pi. 70 pi centimeter square. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 70 pi centimeter square. Now, total surface area of the article is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cylinder was 70 pi plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere was 24.5 pi. That's equal to 70 pi plus 2 into 24.5 pi will be 49 pi. Now on the two terms, pi is common factor. I'll take pi outside. So pi into 70 plus 49. That's equal to pi into 119. Now we'll put the value of pi. That's equal to 22 by 7 into 119. That will be equal to 2618 by 7. That's equal to 374 centimeters square. So the total surface area of the article is 374 centimeters square. Now, exercise 12.2, first question. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeters. and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So they have got a toy here. The toy is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. The radii of the cone and the hemisphere is same, that is equal to 1 centimeters, and the cone's height is also 1 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the solid. Volume of the solid means what? Volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. Now first we'll find the volume of the cone. Radius of cone, are equal to 1 centimeters. Now height of cone, which is the height also is 1 centimeter, because the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So both are equal to 1. Now we'll find volume of the cone. Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That's equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square, that is 1 into 1 into height 1. It will be equal to pi into 1 into 1 is pi. So pi by 3. So the volume of the cone is pi by 3 centimeter cube. Next, now we'll find out the volume of the hemisphere. So radius of hemisphere are equal to 1 centimeters. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. That's equal to 2 by 3 into pi into r cube. 1 into 1 into 1. That's equal to 2 into pi into 1 to 1 is 2 pi. 2 pi by 3 centimeter cube. So the volume of the hemisphere is 2 pi by 3 centimeter cube. Now we'll find out the volume of the solid. Volume of the solid, volume of the solid will be equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone was pi by 3 centimeter cube plus volume of 2 pi by 3 centimeter cube. No, they both are like fractions. So it will be 3 pi plus 2 pi. That's equal to 3 pi by 3. That's equal to, still get cut there, pi centimeter cube. So the volume of the solid is pi centimeter cube. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.